Hilda guys, oh. Hilda. Yes. Hi guys, not a driver today. Okay, Mr. Driver. Drive me safe, Mr. Driver. Okay guys, we're going to buy a balloon today guys. A balloon. Mr. Driver, do you have an aircon? I got it. Never mind. Just open my windows. It's hot day today guys. Pwede mag-swimming. Let's go swimming. Hi son, how are you son? You just come out. Hi mountain guys. So you see the mountain? That's Mount Monadnock, Puerto Layuana guys. This way is going to buy a balloon guys. A balloon. Runabout na ta guys. Wanna go to the international store? Oh, where's international store? Internationally. Oh, purple car. Nice purple. There's purple car guys. Runabout guys, oh. Runabout guys. Nanay T-Rex din ha guys. T-Rex. T-Rex. Yes. Oopsie. Ayaw glabang dod. Kaya na. Knowledge ka doon. Shopping center. Nay Jollibee guys. Yes. Jollibee. Oh, McDonald's, never mind. Roundabout again. Too much roundabout. Circle, circle, good. Wali wali. This way. Arena Tadari. Circle. Second circle. Gas guys, $2.82. Hindi pa na special guys. Arita diri sa Pika Shopping Center. Magpalit kita og balloons.